everybody, good morning. It's Dave here, Holiday for Two. Hope you're having a good day. Getting ready to start a project. We have a 12 by 6 cargo trailer that we're going to be taking and converting to a little camper. We've had this cargo trailer for about 6 or 7 years, and we used it for an ATV that we had. And whenever we would go ride in an ATV, if we pull the ATV out, we'd throw an air mattress in the back and sleep in there sometimes. But now we thought, rather than get rid of it, we're going to turn it into a little trailer and see what we can do with it. We've never tried anything like this, so this will be a new project for us. So stick around and we'll show you the before, and hopefully in a couple of weeks we'll show you the after, what it looks like when we get it all fixed up. So if you like this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that little bell on the side so you'll be notified and kept up to date on our project here. So let's take a look. Cargo camper renovation. Here we go.
Someday when my ship comes in, I know just what we'll do. We'll pack our bags and quit our jobs and have a holiday for two. We'll pack our bags and quit our jobs and have a holiday for two.
I kind of show you a little bit in here inside what we haven't really done anything to this yet. All I did to this was when we had the ATV, our little side-by-side, I put some tie down D-rings right there, but 1, 2, 3 and 4, one behind me. So I did add the little tie downs there for the ATV. I also added underneath some little jacks. So there's 2 jacks, one in each back end, and those are underneath, and you can flip them down to keep this little stable so that if you disconnect your trailer from the pickup truck, it's not going to flop around. You can put them down on the ground and it keeps it. It's kind of like leveling jacks, but it's more for stability when you separate the trailer from the pickup. But really the only thing I did is just lay down some indoor-outdoor carpeting, and for right now I'm probably going to keep all that carpeting in there. The first thing we're going to do in the next couple days is do some painting on the walls. So we're going to go to Home Depot and get the materials for that. Put some white paint. And Tammy thinks she might want to do these like a black. So it'd be white and black around the whole inside of the trailer. Put a one of those fantastic fans up there. I'm going to mount a fan up in here. So I'll be cutting that out for a fan and running the wires down over there into the front. And then in a couple weeks I'm going to put a door window here. They make some windows that you can put in these, so I'll have to cut it out. So I'm going to put a window right here, one of those oval 24-inch by about 14-inch window right here. So I'll have to cut that. I'm a little worried about cutting into the trailer, but I see people do it all the time, and it looks like it shouldn't be too hard to do. So we have a couple ideas of things that we want to do to it, and I'm debating on how many things I really want to do. I know I see a lot of people take these cargo trailers and they put insulation in the walls and they put insulation in the roof, and that's, if you could do that, if you want to do that, that's fine. I'm not so sure I want to do that, because when we take this out camping, we normally take it out in the summertime or in the winter time when it's not so hot, not so cold. So we don't really take this out in the deep cold, and I don't plan to put an air conditioner on this. I do think I want to put some cabinets up in the front. Got room up here in the front in the V-nose where I can run a countertop right about here, about waist level. Maybe put some shelves up here, some shelving, maybe a mirror, maybe a little sink right about here. Some water tanks down below for the fresh water and gray water. My solar battery right down there in the corner. I'll mount it up on the side, run an outlet outside so that I can plug in the solar panel when we go camping. Just kind of some basic little things. Paint it. And then later on, if we decide, we can always tear off the carpeting and put some nice tile or linoleum here on the floor. For right now, though, I think I'm going to leave the carpet for a while. But anyway, it'll be one of those things where we do a little bit at a time. So it'll be interesting to see how it goes step by step. I know in June we have a camping trip we're going to plan to take it to in June. So hopefully between now and the first part of June, we'll show you how much stuff we've actually gotten done in here. So it'll be interesting to see. But follow along with us as we do this project. We still have the motorhome, and it's nice to take the motorhome when we go on longer trips. But for short trips, you know, 3 days, mountain camping, desert camping, this really would suffice really well for short trips. Plus, it's lighter. I can tow this with the Jeep or the pickup truck and save a little gas there because it's a lot lighter. All right, well, stick around. We'll show you how far we get in the next couple weeks. Dave and Tammy's Holiday for Two cargo trailer renovation.